and welcome back to my channel. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. No, you are not seeing double, and no, it's not deja vu. I am wearing the same outfit that I did my Christmas decor haul video. I am batch video recording for you guys so that I don't miss a week without posting a new video. Now today's video is a DIY Christmas decor. We are going to be making DIY scented candles, signs, pom pom trees, and much more. So if you guys are interested, grab your wine, grab your water, grab some snacks, and let's get started. Our first DIY project is going to be these DIY pom pom trees. Now if you've seen them anywhere, I believe they're like always at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, Joann's. They can be really expensive and it's not hard to make, as you guys can see. I purchased 2 styrofoams and 2 packets of the pom-poms, which was more than enough for both styrofoams. Now if you are going to do one of the bigger cones, then definitely get a lot more of the pom-poms because it's going to take up a lot more than just 2 packs. But yes, it was super easy to make. You just put some hot glue on the styrofoam and then you just hold the pom-poms there for about maybe 2 seconds until you proceed to the next one. I really didn't have a, I guess, color scheme with the first one. I just picked whichever pom-pom was there and that's what I went with. With the second one, I kind of had like a pattern, but then as I got to the top, I was running out of color, so I just went with whatever was left over. Now you can go with whatever color scheme you want. I've seen them done in greens and reds, purples and blues, yellows, whatever you want. Even in glitter, I've seen a few of those in store. So just buy a pack of styrofoams, get your glitters and pom-poms, and just create them for yourself. They turn out so beautiful and they're really easy to make. Honestly, the ones that I've made for Riley, I get these Dr. Seuss Whoville vibes, and I can't wait to decorate in her room. We have a little bit of Grinch decor, so this is going to go perfectly in her bedroom. I just know he seems to do just fine. The second DIY project that we're going to make is this sign. I got the printable offline and I will be linking it down below, and the wood panel, I got it from Michael's. I believe it was $1.99. Please make sure to resize the printable. I did not do that, so I had to really cut it and make sure that it fit. It was still a little too big, but I was able to make it work, so just remember that. Resize the printable to the side of like whatever wood panel or wood sign you're going to be using. But all you do is you just cut it up, put some Mod Podge either on the wood panel or on the page, and you just stick it on there and then put some more Mod Podge on top so that it seals the paper right onto the wood. Put it on his show. Our third DIY project is going to be this ho 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 sign. I got the wood panel and paint from Michael's. The paint I believe was $3.99 and the wood panel was $2.99. But all you do is you paint the wood panel this red color with some sponges and just wait for it to dry before you get the lettering onto the sign. Now, please make sure that the lettering that you get actually fits the sign, or else you're going to run into some trouble like I did, which you guys are going to see right now. The entire ho ho ho, it fit, but it just looked really squished and it just didn't look right to me. So what I ended up doing was I grabbed these mitts I got from the dollar from Target, and I just glued it right in the middle, and honestly I really loved how the sign came out. It came out better than what I had expected. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Our final DIY project are going to be these homemade scented candles. All you do is you get the candles and glass bottles from Dollar Tree. You melt the candles for over an hour or so, and you want to melt them slowly so you don't get any air bubbles. You pick out the wicks from there because you're going to use them in the glass bottles you're going to transfer the candles into. You're going to get some hot glue, put the wick into the glass bottle. Make sure that they're in there securely, unlike I did, where I tugged at it a little too hard and pulled it out by accident, so I had to re-glue them again. So I was making sure that I was getting it right. Then you pour the hot candle into there, and I honestly forgot to put the cinnamon into the glass bottle before I poured it into the new one, so I ended up doing that later on, as you guys can see. Make sure that you mix it in very well so it doesn't sit all the way at the top. And I just put these little paper clippings here so that I can center the wick. I tried to put on these bows, but because the glass was cold and the hot glue was hot, it was not working. It was freezing the hot glue, so I had to wait a couple of minutes before I can actually put the bow on there. Holiday, holiday, let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday, let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let me know which one of the DIYs was your favorite, and if you are going to recreate them, let me know in the description box below, as well as tagging me on Instagram, which I will leave in the description box so that I can see you guys recreating these looks and share them online.
You guys, so this is the final look for each of the DIY projects. I do have to say that my most favorite one is the sign. I did not expect it to turn out like this. I was hoping to put all three ho-ho-hos onto it, but due to space it didn't work out. However, I love how the sign turned out. I think it looks super cute. The pom-poms, I'm not gonna lie, they're so adorable, and I love it. I can't wait to put it into Riley's room. And then here we have the DIY cinnamon scented candles. These you could put them as decor or gift them away this year as a Christmas present. And then this sign right here was super simple to make and I just love it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!